Start.
Tell me about yourself, Vinay Kumar.
My name is G. Vinay Kumar and I am from EC department from Savita Engineering College. I have interned with ABC with an internship during my graduation, and I was offered a PPO 3 months of my internship. I was asked to handle entire procurement and sourcing for this region, and I declined the offer as it was not in the line with my educational qualification. I made because I would like to start my career and from a convincing podium. Next, sir.
What is your area of interest?
My areas of interest is in robotics and electronic and communication engineering as I pursue my BTech in that. And then my area of interest is traveling and volunteering, community service or charity work, sports such as completing on a team or in a league, hiking on or other exercise, creative arts including writing, music, painting and crafts, cooking or gardening, and identifying skills or qualities most applicable extracurriculars by determining what skills or qualities developed in me, making a list of my hobbies, planning and organizing skills, leadership skills, communication and interpersonal skills in teamwork, determination and commitment, creative thinking and problem solving, patience, adaptability, and creating and giving the simple connections to the motherboards and making the large process into a simple process. This is the area of interest that I have, sir.
Okay, where do you want to see yourself in 5 years?
Sir,
Where do you want to see yourself in 5 years?
in 5 years, I want to complete the internal inter program of my position. I will see in my success in before 5 years. I have a success. I have a great success in my life in before 5 years, and this motivation gives me a lot before 5 years. This before 5 years, what makes me, and
Okay.
then success motivates me, but does not imply me that failure demotivates me. It does not. I am a hardworking person, and I keep trying, and I persist until I achieve my goals. My stellar academic history
Okay.
justifies the same. I try to do a good job with attention to detail and also ensure the entire team is on the same page all through the pause in my internship. I manage multiple client accounts and often coordination with 10 to 15 people on a given day across India. This is where I have I have seen myself in 5 years.
Why do you think you are suited for this role?
Because I am able to handle pressure,
Hello.
and then I can I can give 100% work efficiency. I can complete the work. I can complete the given work before the given time. So I am able to do all the works that are given to me. I can fulfill your needs, which are coming from the clients. This is what I am going to tell to claim me.
What do you know about this industry?
This is the best company I have never seen because in a friend of mine with your organization always talk about your amazing work culture and the transparent policies. Eventually, this made me visit your LinkedIn page and apply for the listed position. This job really seems this, This job really seems to look like a good fit for my educational background and project my training skills. If I start with your organization, I can advance my career on the lines I have planned for myself. So I really came for this interview.
Okay, okay. You are selected for this company.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, sir. Naveen, tell me
Uh,
about
to,
yourself.
I was graduated year in physics from South Engineering College and I fortunately topped my batch. I have interned with a TCS company during my graduation and was offered with a PPO after 3 months of my internship. I was asked to handle entire procurement and sourcing of this. I declined the offer as it was not enough educational qualification. I am here because I would like to start my career as a convincing podium. I have been looking for opportunities so that from the front, and that is why interview landed in my under your company.
Okay, then. What is your area of interest, Naveen?
My area of interest is in about the CSC department. As I am a good programmer, I have done a very much degree in C++, Java, Python, etc. I am a good game developer. You know, games like PUBG, Free Fire, I will develop very well. I have confidence that I can develop even server, AWS server, etc. So these are my interests. My main interest is about CSC department. That I have done a degree in. I have got a degree from South Engineering College. So these are my interests.
Okay, then. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Last 5 years.
Last 5 years, I was very poor in my studies. Then I have gained confidence from my failures, and then I worked hard. I really used to study very well, and I have got this offer that after 5 years I have succeeded in my life of gaining my degree. So, the same thing I want to continue continue from your company also. I will make your company feel proud. Uh, so I want to see myself as an employee in your company after these many years.
Okay, then. Why do you think you are suitable for this role, best for this role?
As your company develop game developing etc. I was very suited for your company because I am a good game developer. You know, as I said, I can develop C program, Python, and etc. And I was really suited for your job as your recruitments are very good. Your job environment is very perfect. So I want to join your company as an employee and make your company feel proud and make myself feel comfortable to work in your company. So I want this is my role in your company that I want to be. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, then. What do you know about this company? From where you came know about this company?
I know you are the first in manufacturing of all these game developings in India. I did some reading on your website and discovered that major player in the automated manufacturing landscape. This is the future in the operation of these drives of maximum efficiency, safety, competitive advantage in global market. Mm. That's the something I care a lot about. That attracts me very well as an employer and very well in job recruitment and salaries, etc. So your work environment is very perfect. So I want to join in your company as an employee. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We'll think about it. Thank you. Thank you for meeting. Thank you.